Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I am going to share with you how to highlight duplicate values in Google Sheet using Gemini. So keep watching in this video. I will show you step-by-step process to do that. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open our Google Chrome. Here you can see this is my sample Google Sheet, okay? And here this is student details are available. Okay, and we want to highlight duplicate records. Okay, so what we will do, so friend, here we are going to click on this Gemini icon which is available here. You simply click on it. Here we are going to type a prompt, highlight duplicate values with yellow color. Okay, Gemini will analyze all the data, duplicate entry to yellow color. Okay, let's see how it will do. So friend, here you can see that this is fully automated system is doing these things, and these are duplicate entries which right now is highlighted with the yellow color. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because this type of tutorials you will learn from our channel. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.